3, question number 2. Prove and identify the law. First law is commutative law. Commutative law. For understanding and remembering this law, remember the word communication. Communication with eye contact. At the same time, we can communicate with one person. So, when we have two values with the same sign, positive sign with the single value. So, when we have same values, two same values with the same sign. So, the law is called commutative law. Then let's see, we have value is 5 plus 2 equals 2 plus 5. Same value with the same sign. So the law is called commutative law. When we have two values with the same sign, the law is called commutative law. Now I am solving the question. Next question is 5 plus 3 equals 3 plus 5. This is your left hand side and this is your right hand side. 5 plus 3 equals 3 plus 5. 8 equals to 8. If your left hand side equals to right hand side, it means your answer is right. And these kind of question is related to verification. Verification mean proved. The answer is proved. But how to identify the law? Question is prove and identify. The question is proved. But how to identify? When we have two values with the same sign is called the commutative law. Commutative law. Draw the ending. Now I am solving the next question. 11 plus 14 equals to 14 plus 11. This is your left hand side, this is your right hand side. You can solve at the same time, you can solve separately. 11 plus 14, it will be 25 and 25. Now it is proved. Thus, left hand side is equals to right hand side. It's proved. First part. How to identify? When we have two values with the same sign, this is called commutative law. Commutative law. Draw the ending line. Now we are talking about the associative law. Associative law. Associative, association, relation with and the communication between more than two persons. Associate. So when we have three values, with the same sign is called the associative law. Commutative law, communication, face-to-face contact, two person. But when we have the term of associative law, so when we have more than two values or three values with the same sign is called the associative law. Let's see, we have 2 plus 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1 plus 2. Then we have 2 plus 1 plus 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. And 6. So when we have more than two values with the same sign, the law is called associative law. Now I am solving the question. See, we have three values with the same sign. So this law is called associative law. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. First part of your question, prove. First of all, we need to solve the bracket. 7 plus 2, 9. when we will get the single answer, the bracket will be removed. Now 9 plus 6, it will be 15. 6 plus 7, 13 plus 2, 15. Thus, left hand side is equals to right hand side. Now identify. How to identify? When we have three values with the same sign, this is called associative law. Associative law. Draw the ending line. I hope you understand this concept. Thank you.